I just feel like do whatever is good for you. When I say invest in your body, health is wealth. Invest in your health. Like, make sure you're healthy. If you're not working out, then you eating right or taking your vitamins or just doing what you got to do to stay healthy. That's the real wealth.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. Let's get right into it. This recipe is the best for detox and tastes great first thing in the morning. First, you will need your celery. I cut off the ends and tops. I'm really not sure why. 2 lemons. If you don't like the taste of celery, this will mask the taste. Fresh mint. I like to use a bunch, especially during winter, just because of the benefits. I also added ginger root for the taste and benefit. My special ingredient is Irish moss powder. It's very bitter. I love the taste now, but it might be a bit hard for some of you in the beginning. Add a very small portion to your glass and stir it into your drink, and enjoy a shot every morning. A healthy shot, that is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next video.
Hey.